Hey guys, it's Roseann Zaft from LIVFITT, and I just got done blending up my holiday candy cane green smoothie. It was super easy to make, and it's delicious as well. All I've done was added 2 handfuls of super greens, a cup of strawberry, a half a frozen banana, a cup of almond milk or any non-dairy milk, and 2 to 3 drops of doTERRA peppermint oil. I garnished this all with a little bit of chopped candy cane, and I've decorated my little green smoothie with the actual candy cane. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and all the other recipes that you can find on my YouTube channel and in my blogs. Check me out at www.livfitt, that's LIVFITT.com, or email me at info@livfitt.com. I hope you have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep it green. Happy holidays.